Hey, what's up guys? I just want to do a quick video here. I just started working for Asurion, so I wanted to share that experience with you a little bit. It's pretty cool. They send out the part right here. I'm going to be doing an iPhone 8 Plus for the customer. They send it to you in this box here, and then all you have to do is go to the customer's house, fix the phone, and follow some steps on their app that they provide you on my phone. So, like I have to call the customer, say, hey, I'm on my way, and then I mark that in the app that I did that. I get to the customer's house and mark that I arrived there. So it's pretty cool.
En route to the customer's house.
Hey guys, I'm en route to fix that iPhone 8 Plus for Asurion right now. Very first day, very first fix with them. Kind of exciting. I got my parts, I got my heat gun, I got my tools. I'm gonna go do this fix and make 50 bucks and call it a day. And then I will report back with you to let you know how the fix went. So far, it's been a positive experience with Asurion, so if anybody gets a chance to work for them, I'd recommend it. Alright, I'll see you guys after the fix.
One eternity later.
Hey, so I just finished up, heading back home. Pretty easy fix, an iPhone 8 Plus, so pretty routine for me, but what I like about it is everything's spelled out for me. So the part is sent to me. The iPhone 8 Plus had the earpiece and the front-facing camera and the back plate already on it, so I just needed to take the phone apart, take the screen off, and transfer the home button, and that was pretty much it. So it's kind of nice having everything organized and ready for me. I don't have to be responsible for stocking the parts or for I'd lost my train of thought. For if anything else goes wrong with the fix. So after the fix, if maybe the camera stops working, that's on Asurion, not on me. So that's kind of nice. But yeah, I got it done in about half an hour. Walking through the steps of the app that I have to go through, which they have to give me their signature authorizing me to work on their phone and all that. That took just as long as it did to fix the phone. So, but overall, pretty good experience. Liking it so far. Love ya. Love ya. Ha!